Okay, kita lanjut pelajarannya. So, how are you today? I would like, if you listen my voice, please give me a response by raise your hand. And would like to ask you, how are you today? Okay, I asked Adayasa. Ada di sini orangnya? Adayasa? Miss Ari. Miss Ari. Udah screen sharingnya. Kenapa? Screen sharingnya udah kelihatan kan? Iya, oke. Saya bisa. Okay, we are going to review our first lesson. So we are going to review about asking and giving opinion. So do you still remember what was asking and giving opinion? Well, I think that it's a little bit hot in this room. Can you give me an opinion? What I have to do? Can you give me an opinion? What I have to do? Because I feel hot today. Adayasa, I can see you. Oke, Egi Sutasoma, raise hand. Silakan Egi. Unmute dulu ya. Ayo, ada yang bisa memberikan pendapat atau opinion? I feel hot today. What I have to do? I feel hot in this room. Marcella Kesia. Yang mana orangnya? Silakan Marcella Kesia. Oke. Silakan. Oke, silakan Marcella Kesia. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay.
If you feel hot, I think you can turn on the air conditioner.
If you feel hot, I think that you can turn on the air conditioner. That's right answer. Yeah. So that's the way you can give an opinion to your friend. So give applause to Marcella and Kesia. So what's your name? The complete name, please. I would like to write down.
Niwayan Marcella Putri.
Marcella Putri. Okay, thank you, Marcella.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, the next situation is, what do you think about learn from home atau study from home? Does anyone have any idea or any opinion about work from home or study from home? What do you think about it? Who can give an opinion about learn or work from home? Kalau ada yang ingin memberikan pendapat, silakan raise your hand and unmute ya. What do you think about study from home? Atau what is your opinion about study from home? Give the opinion, please. Ayo, silakan. Siapa yang mau memberikan pendapat? Atau mungkin saya panggil ya salah satunya. Priska, Fitri, dan Mary. Silakan. Okay.
Good morning, Mrs.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm great. Thank you.
Okay. My opinion, according to my own experience, I understand better when taught directly by the teacher in front of the class. So, if we learn in the home, I'm hard understand to the material.
Okay, so it's better to learn at the school ya, rather than at home. Ya, oke. Ada yang punya pendapat lain mungkin? Another opinion? Desi Anansa Fitri. What do you think about learn from home or study from home? Silakan Desi.
Hello, Miss. Good morning.
Good morning.
In my opinion, program study from home is very difficult because this online learning is not as effective learning in school. And in this online learning program, process learning also very limited. So students need high concentration and listen clarification the material with time. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your answer. Okay, both of you between Priska Fitri and Mary and Desi Anansa Fitri give a good answer. So, in their opinion, study from home is not effective for them. First, they cannot very concentration with the lesson. The second, that it's very difficult to understand all the all the lesson and everything. So especially about the maths and also English that you cannot practice, and also with the other subject that you really need the explanation from the teacher. Okay, so that's the way of giving opinion. So here today we are going to review again about asking and giving opinion. So there are two kinds of the way that you can use to express your opinion. The first one with the personal opinion, like the way you yourself give an opinion. The first you can say in my experience. In my experience, so it is based on your experience. The second one is speaking for myself. So it's you explain about your idea, about yourself. And then the third one is in my opinion. So I see a lot of you said in my opinion, I think. Okay, kemudian ada, I would say that, I want to point out that, I believe that, what I mean is, I suppose. Nah, kalau what I mean is, itu ketika kalian menjelaskan sesuatu yang mungkin lebih susah untuk dipahami orang. Jadi kalian menjelaskannya secara susah, kalian menyampaikan sesuatu secara susah, tetapi orang belum memahami apa pendapat kalian, kemudian kalian ringkas kembali. Itu makna daripada what I mean is, okay, for the example, saya akan menjelaskan tentang perjalanan dari suatu tempat ke tempat yang lain. In my opinion, the traffic is very bad. Nah, kemudian kalian menjelaskannya dengan banyak penjelasan. Untuk meringkasnya, kalian hanya cukup mengatakan what I mean is that the traffic is really bad. Lot of the car, lot of traffic on the road, and it makes me coming late. So that's the example. Oke, kemudian ada juga berikutnya adalah general thoughts. Oke, general thoughts is pandangan secara umum. Jadi kalau yang tadi personal opinion itu adalah pendapat kalian secara pribadi, Nah, kemudian sekarang ada general thoughts. Oke, jadi ini pemikiran secara banyak orang, secara umum. Oke, it is thought that many people say it is considered, it is generally accepted that, and most people do not agree, and several people believe. Oke, jadi kalau yang tadi pertanyaan Ibu adalah tentang your personal opinion, belum ke general thoughts. Oke, jadi nanti bedakan jenis pertanyaan atau asking or giving opinion, it is based on your personal opinion, or it's based on the general thoughts. Oke, sudah paham sejauh ini? Atau sudah tahu bagaimana caranya memberikan personal opinion kan? Oke, kalau sudah, tadi saya sudah menanyakan pada 3 orang teman-teman kalian. Sekarang kita ke expression of asking opinion. Nah, kalau tadi saya akan bertanya bagaimana caranya memberikan atau menanyakan sebuah pendapat. Asking for one's opinion. Okay, what you can use if you want to asking for one's opinion? The first one, you can say, what do you think about? Okay, my first question before is, what do you think about study from home? What do you think about study from home? And then the second one is, what's your opinion or what's your view about study from home? What do you mean? And then the last one is, what would you say about that? Nah, for the example, ada kasus at the moment we learn from home because of the coronavirus. So what do you think about it? Nah, pertanyaan saya di e-learning kemarin adalah tentang coronavirus, tentang study from home. Saya banyak mereview pekerjaan kalian, sudah saya cek. Nah, sekarang we are going back to the response of opinion. So responses of opinion, we are going to given responses of opinion. Jadi kalau tadi ada yang bertanya tentang atau meminta pendapat tentang opinion, kemudian ada respon, bagaimana kalian merespon? Yang pertama ada dari agree, and then ada sisi disagree. Nah, kalau dari sisi agree, perhatikan sisi agree. Okay, first one, of course, atau exactly. The second one, you can say, you are right. Berarti kalian setuju dengan pendapat atau opini dari seseorang. Kemudian ada yes, I agree, I think so, that's a good point, I don't think so, and so do I, neither do I. Oke, jadi itu adalah cara kalian merespon pendapat dari seseorang dari sisi agree. Oke, sudah dari sisi kalian setuju dengan pendapat yang diberikan oleh teman, berarti responnya seperti ini. Kemudian berikutnya ada disagree. So, what is disagree? Apa sih sebenarnya disagree itu? Juliantari, Nimade Juliantari. Oke, sisi disagree. Apa sih menurutmu sisi disagree itu? Oke, silakan Nimade Juliantari, unmute dulu.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning. How are you today?
Menurut saya, disagree itu
Halo, Juliantari. Repeat once again your answer, please. We cannot listen your answer. Silakan, Nimade Juliantari. Atau yang lainnya mungkin ada yang mau raise your hand, silakan. Apa sih itu sisi disagree? Kalau tadi Dewa Ayu Purnama, oke, silakan Dewa Ayu Purnama.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
In my opinion, disagree is Disagree adalah merespon pendapat atau pemikiran orang dengan tidak setuju.
Okay, thank you. That's a good answer. Can you give me one example about response of opinion, but from the side of disagree?
Okay, one example disagree is I do not agree with you.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Oke, jadi tadi sudah dijawab oleh temannya dari poin atau sisi disagree. Yang pertama itu adalah that's different. The second one, I don't agree with you. Jadi banyak yang jawaban atau respon yang paling sering dipakai itu adalah yang pertama itu that's different. The second one is I don't agree with you. Kemudian berikutnya ada contoh lain, however, kemudian dijelaskan that's not entirely true. On the contrary, I'm sorry to disagree with you, but yes, but don't you think? Oke, jadi ini adalah cara untuk merespon pendapat seseorang jika kalian tidak setuju. Jadi kalau yang tadi setuju, yang agree-nya cara meresponnya adalah seperti yang ada di sisi kiri kalian, kemudian yang disagree-nya ada di sisi sebelah kanan. Oke. Nah, kira-kira ada nggak yang bisa memberikan sebuah asking for opinion in this lesson? Kalau tadi kan Ibu sudah memberikan sebuah pertanyaan to ask your opinion. Now, is anyone wants to asking for opinion from your friend? Ada yang mau mencoba untuk membuat sebuah kalimat asking opinion di sini? Kalau ada yang mau, silahkan raise your hand. Marcella, Keisha, raise hand. Oke, silakan Marcella, Keisha.
Miss, contoh asking opinion ya.
Contoh asking for opinion, silakan. Yang lainnya dengarkan ya, karena nanti setelah Marcella dan Keisha memberikan sebuah pertanyaan atau expression of asking opinion, nanti giliran kalian yang akan memberikan responnya. Bagaimana pendapat kalian tentang yang ditanyakan oleh Marcella dan Keisha ya? Oke, silakan.
What is your opinion about English class?
What's your opinion about English class? Oke, pasti jawabannya bagus sekarang ya, karena di depan guru bahasa Inggris pertanyaannya, what's your opinion about English class? Oke. What's your opinion about English class? Okay, Marcella and Keisha, would you please try to repeat once again your question?
What is your opinion about English class?
Okay, what's your opinion about English class? Thank you ya. That's good.
You're welcome, Miss.
That's a good question. Okay. Tadi sudah ada pertanyaan dari temannya. What's your opinion about English class? Silakan give your opinion right now by raise your hand. Silakan berikan respon. Raise your hand first, and then I will give you the time. Okay, 2 participants raise hand. Okay, silakan. Bella, Anadia. Bella, ada? Silakan, Bella, tadi angkat tangan. Bella, silakan.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Bella.
I think the English class is quite interesting, but I'm quite nervous.
Okay, English class is quite interesting and I'm quite nervous. Okay, one thing that you have to remember is English is not your first language. If you want to speak more in English, for all of you in this Zoom meeting at the moment, you have to practice more. You cannot practice your English just by read something, but you need to speak more to make your pronunciation is become better. Understand what I said? Bella? But I do
Yes.
agree with your response. That's English is interesting, but sometimes you feel nervous when you speak in English. Okay, thank you Bella for your answer. Next, ada yang punya pendapat lagi mungkin? Tadi Marcella Keisha ya, tadi raise hand lagi ya. Dewa Ayu Purnama. Oke, Dewa Ayu Purnama silakan. Dewa Ayu silakan. Unmute dulu and give your opinion.
Okay. In my opinion, English class is in the main subject as capital to dive in the world of tourism.
Okay, English class is
the main subject as capital to dive in the world of tourism.
okay. That's a good answer, but maybe that you mean is English class or English is very important for all of us, especially when you are going to work in tourism. So
Yes.
we are in we are in a place that tourism is everything for us. So you have to know how to speak in English. So that's why you have to learn English in the English class. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you for your answer. Ada yang punya pendapat lain mungkin? Okay, two participant raise hand. Okay. Siapa itu tadi? Ayu? Ayu 11. Silakan, Ayu. Unmute dulu. Okay, sudah silakan Ayu.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning. How are you
Thank
today?
you for the time given to me.
Mm-hmm.
In my opinion, English class is very interesting, and I feel enjoy it because you give a listen so slow, and I can understand it. And also, I like it because I can improve my English. Thank you.
Thank you. That's a good answer. That's the way you can learn English. That by practicing more, speak more in English and practice more so that you can speak or you can have a good pronunciation. Okay. Next, the second question about opinion. Siapa lagi yang ingin memberikan sebuah pertanyaan kepada temannya dan respon tentang opinion? Ayo silakan. Kalau tadi pertanyaan satu dari temannya adalah what's your opinion about English class? And the second question, ada yang punya pendapat atau pertanyaan lain mungkin? Kalau ada silakan angkat tangan. Ada Yasa, oke ada Yasa silakan. Dari tadi saya panggil ada Yasa, baru sekarang raise hand ya. Oke, silakan ada Yasa, unmute.
Morning, Miss.
Good morning, how are you ada Yasa?
I'm fine, good. What do you think about coronavirus?
What do you think about coronavirus? I think that's my question on the e-learning. Okay, what do you think about coronavirus? Ada yang, okay, that's the question from Adriasa. What do you think about coronavirus? Silakan disiapkan jawabannya. Kalau sudah siap jawaban kalian, angkat tangan, berikan pendapat kalian. Give your opinion. Personal opinion, kita langsung berbicara dari personal opinion boleh. Kalau kalian mau ke general, boleh. Sudah? Sudah ada yang punya jawaban? Atau sudah ada yang punya pendapat? Silakan. Hoki Lestari, silakan. Kalau bahasa Inggris jawabannya nggak usah dihafal ya, langsung dijawab. Oke, silakan Hoki. Hoki masih ada? Oke, Hoki silakan.
Miss,
Ya.
morning. Sorry tadi nggak bisa nge-unmute, Miss.
Oke, sudah.
Okay, speaking for myself, coronavirus is very dangerous for we, and that's why we must stay at home and keep healthy.
Okay, that's a good answer. Speaking for myself, coronavirus is very dangerous, so that's why we have to stay at home. And
Yes.
apa tadi lagi satu?
We must keep healthy.
We must stay healthy or keep healthy. Okay, that's a good answer. Ada yang punya pendapat lain mungkin? Coronavirus is very dangerous. Itu dari pendapat dari Hoki. Coba sekarang saya minta pendapat dari Kadek Anak Bali. Oke, silakan Kadek Anak Bali. Oke, ada dari Bella Ana. Silakan Bella Ana duluan.
Morning, Miss.
Morning.
In my opinion, the coronavirus is very detrimental to many people, not only in Indonesia, but also outside Indonesia.
That's enough?
And I think to prevent the coronavirus, we need stay at home and also keep healthy and use masks.
Okay, thank you for your answer, Bella. So, coronavirus is very dangerous. So, we just stay at home and then use masks, and we have to wash our hands. So, selain memberikan pendapat, kamu juga memberikan saran. Jadi di poin jawabanmu itu adalah selain memberikan personal opinion, you also given suggestion what you can do about the coronavirus. Oke, tadi ada Anak Agung Ria Chandra Dewi. Silakan, Anak Agung Ria Chandra Dewi. Silakan. Oke, sudah.
Sudah. Good morning, Miss.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, and you?
I'm great, thank you.
Okay, coronavirus, in my opinion, is a virus that needs to be avoided because the virus is very dangerous. And we are stay safe at home.
Okay.
And use mask.
Yeah, it's enough?
Yes. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you for your answer. Okay, so you can see few of your friends try to give an opinion, try to ask for the opinion. Jadi beberapa di antara teman kalian itu sudah mulai untuk mencoba untuk memberikan respon. The first is how to ask the opinion. The second one is how to express the opinion. Okay, you may think that my pronunciation is not right, and then my grammar is not right, but don't worry. as long as we, all of you, understand what we are talking about, that's already the goal of the communication. So don't worry about making mistake when I try to call your name and ask you to answer the question. Jadi jangan kalian pernah ragu, karena banyak yang mengatakan saya ragu untuk angkat tangan, saya ragu untuk menjawab karena grammar saya tidak bagus, karena speaking skill saya tidak bagus, atau malu didengar oleh teman-teman di Zoom. Don't worry about that. Kita semua masih belajar dan kalian bisa lihat bagaimana teman-teman kalian they try to improve themselves. Okay. Nah, I have one question for you. So, what do you think about the students who join the Zoom meeting, but not pay attention to the Zoom meeting? So, what do you think about that? So, at the moment, we learn from the Zoom meeting because of the coronavirus, you know. And you join the Zoom meeting, few of your friends also join the Zoom meeting. So what do you think about the student who join the Zoom meeting but not pay attention to the lesson? What do you think about that? Give me your opinion. That's my last question to you. Kalau yang sudah siap dengan jawaban, silakan angkat tangan ya. Raise your hand. Ayu, 11, silakan. Oke, silakan Ayu.
In my opinion, I think they are just having fun, and one day they will realize that this lesson is very important for their self.
Okay, is it enough?
Yes, that's enough.
You. Your pronunciation is good.
Thank you.
Okay, in their opinion, or I think that's what Ayu said before, that this lesson is very important, and one day they will realize that they don't use their time in a right way. Okay, ada yang punya pendapat lain mungkin? Saya mungkin memerlukan lagi 2 partisipan untuk memberikan pendapat before we close the lesson. Dayu Kartika. Silakan, Dayu. Don't be nervous. Sudah di-unmute dulu. Oke, silakan Dayu.
Bu, bisa ulang pertanyaannya, Bu?
Okay. What do you think about the students who don't pay attention in this lesson? Sudah Dayu?
Belum.
Ada yang mungkin punya pendapat lain? Oke, ada yang angkat tangan tadi. PG 19. Siapa sih namanya PG 19? Silakan.
Okay, good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
Okay, my opinion, I think it's very nice because during this pandemic, we can still learn at home.
Okay, that's your opinion.
That's in my opinion,
Mm-hmm.
I think it's very nice because during this pandemic, we can still learn at home.
Oke, tadi ada respon dari, thank you for your response about my question.
Right.
Do you use Google Translate or something to speak in English? I would like to repeat once again of my question and try to listen my question, ya. What do you think about the student?
In my opinion, okay, I think it's very nice because during in my opinion, I think it's very nice because during this pandemic we can still learn at home.
Okay, thank you for your answer. What's your name? Siapa sih namanya? Itu kalau di pengenalnya itu siapa?
Pranata Gede.
Pranata.
Ya.
Okay, Pranata. Okay. I love the way you answer the question. I love your pronunciation, but my question and your opinion is not matched. My question is, what do you think about students who doesn't pay? Jadi yang tidak memperhatikan pelajaran. Jadi, apa sih pendapatmu tentang siswa yang join Zoom sekarang tetapi tidak memperhatikan pelajaran? That's my question. Kalau pertanyaan Ibu tentang bagaimana pendapatmu tentang pembelajaran melalui daring, that's match between the question and the response. Jadi, itu sudah nyambung dia antara pertanyaan sama jawabannya. Tetapi pertanyaan yang Ibu berikan tadi adalah, what do you think about students who don't pay attention to the lesson? Jadi pertanyaannya adalah, bagaimana pendapatmu tentang teman-temanmu yang tidak memperhatikan pelajaran, baik itu secara langsung ataupun via Zoom. Oke? Jadi lain kali, pay attention to the question. Lebih hati-hati lagi, lebih konsentrasi untuk semuanya tentang pertanyaan atau apapun yang ditanyakan oleh guru bidang studi. Biar enggak yang ditanya A, kalian jawabannya nanti enggak nyambung. Ya, but I love the way of Pranata answer the question. Oke, jadi hari ini kita sudah review kembali tentang asking and giving opinion. Dan juga saya melihat semangat kalian untuk try to speak in English, try to answer my question. I love the way you learn English today. And I think it's enough for our meeting today. Next time, we are going to meet again with another lesson. Thank you and see you. Good morning.